Welcome to our new channel SaaS Killers. Here we basically want to exchange ideas and talk about different overpriced SaaS products which can be easily recreated in n8n or other low-code platforms like Make. For the first tool we are going to look at Fyxer.ai. Fyxer.ai just recently raised $10 million, and they basically say that they give you back 1 hour each day by sorting and labeling your emails and helping you to automatically create drafts. So as you can see in their video, all your emails are automatically labeled and the AI creates drafts for you. They also look at your calendar and can see when you have available time slots to then right away draft answers. The fourth thing which they offer is that you have automatically transcribed meetings and then can chat with your meeting notes, basically asking Fyxer.ai, when do I need to respond to Paul? Just ask questions about meetings you had. Let's jump right into n8n and I show you guys how we recreated the backend of Fyxer with n8n. So we basically have an email node which can be triggered every second, every minute, every hour, or when a new email is received. We split our workflow into 2 passes. One pass to classify the emails, which is done by our classify agent, which classifies the labels you created in your Gmail account. So I created labels for loops. Loops is basically our tool which we are using for new leads on our websites. Then I have invoices, funding, urgent, and retreat. And for those labels, you basically just create keywords so the AI knows how to label each, how to classify each label. So for loops, it's pretty simple because all incoming emails are labeled as loops. But for example, for invoices, we add some keywords like for, in our case, German, Rechnung, Zahlung, or you could say receipts, invoices, everything which has to do with payments. For the category urgent, for example, urgent is for me when I have ASAP deadlines or some stakeholders want something from me, or I have meetings I need to appoint, or like in our example in German, Terminanfragen or Terminbestätigung. So basically with a few more clicks than Fyxer.ai, you can recreate that all your emails get labeled and sorted in to the right folders. In Fyxer obviously probably has a nice interface and you can set up the whole thing with like 3 clicks. Here you obviously need to do a few more clicks, but in the end basically have the same result. Looking at our path to create drafts automatically, we have our Gmail responder, which has access to 2 tools, to check our calendar for the next 7 days and to create drafts for us. And this is done by creating a neat system prompt, which basically mirrors how you write emails and how you want the agent to respond to your emails. Here you need to set your instructions. For example, always begin every email with a hi, keep response short because I like short and precise answers, not much talk around like ChatGPT, for example, does when you tell him to write an email. And then you can play around a bit with the instructions to have the drafts exactly like you want them to be, to just click send. You actually also could set it up that it sends it automatically without you checking the drafts first. So this is to those automations Fyxer.ai offers. And another one would be the one with automatically getting transcripts of your meeting notes, which we created using this workflow, which gets triggered when the meeting ends. Then we need to have a wait node because we need to wait like 10-15 minutes until the transcription is uploaded to your Google Drive. We then fetch this video or the transcription notes and upload them into our LLM, where we basically have another system prompt again, where we say that we want to have the whole meeting structured in this kind of way. And once we get the summary, we can either send us this summary to Gmail, or what we could also add is a vector storage where we then save those information and transcripts to then have the function, for example, with a Telegram or WhatsApp note to then ask an agent about the meeting notes we have stored in our vector storage. What we could also do is have a shortcut on our phone or on our Mac to have quick access on all devices to our meeting notes. So yeah, this is basically how we recreated Fyxer.ai with n8n. And guys, if you have more tools we could recreate or also build workflows your own, let's share them and discuss and build up a nice community where we kill SaaS products. See you on the next episode.